Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of UyghurMan. As today, March 26, 2020, from the total affected number, America surpassed every single country, becomes the #1 most affected country from this outbreak. Here, of course, you should ignore the data from China. That's not even valid. We should not believe anything from China, even their data. For example, from the news of today, the Czech Republic and Spain just reported there were more than 80% test kit they got from China does not work properly. Because why? Because of it's made in China. That means the world should not believe made in China, especially at this type of deadly serious situation. The test kit China made has only 30 to 50% correct rate, which means they have more rate for incorrect result. So it doesn't worth you spend money to get the test kit from China. It means you waste money. It means you won't waste money like Spain and Czech Republic. That's all for today, and let me finish the video with my workout challenge again. Today is day 4, I did it, and I will see you guys tomorrow.